Good morning, friends. In the previous video we have learned how we can draw the angles. Okay, now in this video we are going to be learn how we can measure the angle with the help of protractor. Okay, so for example, I have draw here two angle to show you how we can measure the angle. Method will be same. Okay, what we have done, we have to keep this your center. As you can see here, it is your center point, and that center point you have to keep on that vertex of an angle. Okay, like that, this line should be covered with this line. Now what to do, we have to just see that from 0 we are counting. Okay, the point is here, that means you have to count from this side, 0, 10, 20, and the line is here. Okay, so first of all we'll count from 0 after 90 days. If you will see it carefully, you will find that this will become 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 80, 90, 100, and then 110. But 110, after 110, if you see will carefully, you will find it is one more. That means the angle will become 111. Okay, so 111, the measurement of an angle will be 111 degree. Understood? Now we'll take a second example, same method. Like that, just see carefully, this center point you have to keep on vertex like that here. Okay, so here, and this baseline should be covered with this line. You can't keep the protractor like that. No, that baseline should be covered with this protractor baseline. Clear? Now this is the point, we have to count from here, and we will count from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now if you will see carefully, it will after a 40. Okay, just if you see how much point it is, 1, 2. So this will become 42. So this angle is 42. Okay, so this angle will be 42 degree. Understood? Now with the help of protractor, how we can measure the angle, you know that. Okay, now our next topic is parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, so what is meant by lines? We know that lines, there are two types of line. One is parallel and second is perpendicular. Now what is meant by parallel and what is meant by perpendicular? If you will see this picture, you will find there is some lines. These, according to this picture, you can see here it is some lines. Okay, so here it is some lines. In this window you can see that, and these each and every line is in same direction. That means it will like that, and between these two lines the same distance you can see. Okay, the same distance from here, whatever the distance is here, that will cover here also. Okay, like that, it is not there that this here it is like that and afterwards they are meeting like that. No, they have a same distance. Okay, like that. Here, as you can see, this line of page, you will find whatever the distance is will be here, or between these two lines, this will here also the same distance you will find. Okay, so the parallel lines are those lines which are never intersect each other. Okay, and having a same distance. Okay, so these are some example. As you can see, the ladder also, these are the lines. Okay, or these two also lines. The distance between these two lines is same here also and the same here also. They are not intersecting to each other. So these lines are called as parallel line because they are not intersecting each other, means they are not touching to each other. Clear? So the first of all, the bars on the windows in the pictures are parallel to each other. I told you the same distance, if the same distance will be there, these are the parallel lines. Okay, the step of on the ladder in this picture are called parallel to each other. Why? Because both these lines having same distance and they are not intersecting each other. Clear? So these are the parallel lines. These are some example of parallel lines. Okay, you can find the line example in the line. With the help of line you can understand these two are parallel to each other. Okay, and the next line is perpendicular line. So these are the lines which are intersecting each other but at the angle of 90 degree. Suppose here it is two line, here it is, you can see here one line, and if another line is intersecting to this line, intersecting means touching. Okay, means they are crossing each other, so if these two lines are intersecting at the angle of 90 degree, if there are two lines are intersecting and they are making 90 degree, that lines is called as perpendicular line. So these kinds of line which they are intersecting each other at the angle of 90 degree, these are the perpendicular lines. So these are